After you have heard so much from the legends and you have witnessed so beautiful things, I think there remains hardly anything for me to share. But however, as a chancellor of the university, it becomes my duty to present my address and share some of my thoughts. Today, we have gathered here not merely to launch a scholarship and a book. We gather to celebrate a life, a legacy, and a love that continues to bind us all with the life of Juvin Garg. A name that stands not just for musical brilliance, but for an unforgettable spirit that touched every home and every heart in Assam and far beyond. Many of us knew Juvin as a phenomenon, the voice that could make us dance, weep, remember, and dream. But I had the privilege of seeing him in moments that were far from the spotlight, moments that reveal who he truly was as a human being. Chaudhary sir, you had got the opportunity some 3 years ago, as you said, and he asked you a question about quantum mechanics. In my last meeting with him in this very campus, almost a year ago, when we both sat together and were witnessing some other artist to perform as a musician, I never knew that that was my last physical meeting with the great hero of Assam. He did not ask me about quantum mechanics. Of course, he has some compliments about the campus, the vastness of the campus. Apnar campus to बहुत धुनिया होल आगोतेও মই আহিছিলো কিন্তু এতিয়া আৰু বৰ ডাঙৰ হৈ গল. I said we'll invite you separately for some other occasion. Unfortunately, that occasion could not come, seeing him present, but of course we are celebrating his birthday today. Though he did not ask me about quantum mechanics, I could observe the human mechanic in his personality. Believe me, the action of Juvin that day touched me. I knew him as a great artist, as a music artist, but I never knew that he's such a simple, humble, a great human being. My grandson, son of Ankur, just 3.5 years ago, that time he may be 2.5 years old, one of the shoelaces it came undone. Juvin bent down himself because my grandson was in my lap and he just was little away from me. Juvin bent down and he himself tied the shoelace of the shoes of my grandson. I told him, "Apni no koribo, moi korim eku nai." I was really humbled and touched that this is the way great people show their humble behavior. I cannot ever forget that. And of course, my grandson knows that my grandfather has gone, भगवान के पास चले गए. ही घरत कोई थके, जुविन भगवान के पास चला गया. और हमेशा गाना गाते रहता है, 4-5 lines, मायावीनीर गान गाई थके. In the morning today I said, जाजी जुबिन और बर्थडे आसे, जुबिन तो भगवान जी का घर में चला गया ना. हम बोला yes, we are going to celebrate his birthday. This is the Juvin we celebrate today, my dear friends. Not just the superstar, but the human being. Not just the voice, but the heart behind the voice. It is from this feeling, this profound appreciation, that the idea for the Juvin Garg Scholarship, the book Juvin 20 Songs and 7 Portraits, and the memoriam was born. This is just a very humble contribution, a tribute by Royal Global University for this great hero of the state. On this occasion, of course, I must take the moment to acknowledge the incredible efforts behind this book, which Dikom has already said, but as a duty bound, I must congratulate and express my gratefulness for Dr. Amar Jyoti Chaudhary sir, Chairperson, Professor of the Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Center of Creativity, the editor of the book Satyakim D. Bhuya, and a close friend of Juvin, Mitra Fukan, Rahul Karmakar, Professor Rakhi Kolita Moral, and our very own Dr. Pami Bothakur, who poured their hearts into essays that capture Juvin's musical genius and his immense humanity. And Mukul Madhav Vashya, whose artwork graces our cover with beauty and soul, and all those whose direct and indirect contribution for this book, the team who gave life to this memoriam. You feel his longing for a world here where art heals, where love is enough, where music becomes a language of unity. And that is why this book matters. Because memories fade, voices become distant, faces blur, but stories remains. They travel, they teach, they heal. On this occasion, I like to quote few slokas on his birthday. And this is my Sabdanjali, as we call it, floral tribute. This is my Sabdanjali for Juvin. There is a sloka of Chanakya. Saptesu jayate surah, sahastresu cha panditah, vakta das sahastresu, data bhavati vanava. That means, echo manuhar bhitorot, sahastresu jayate surah, echo manuhar bhitorot, sur ejon sur জন্ম হয় সহস্ত্রেষু চ পণ্ডিত 1000 মানুহৰ ভিতৰ এজন জ্ঞানী পণ্ডিত জন্ম হয় বক্তা 10 সহস্ত্রেষু 10000 মানুহৰ ভিতৰত এটা ভাল বক্তা জন্ম লয় কিন্তু এটা দাতা philanthropist both हम हिंदी में कहते बिरले very rarely and that was Juvin. Besides his music quality, he was a great philanthropist. We all know how he has contributed, how he has helped people around him, the downtrodden people of the society. And that has made him such hero, for which I have also composed 2 lines added to the sloka of Chanakya. Juvinah iva kalakaraha kotisu kevalam ekah jayate. जुविन जैसा कलाकार करोड़ों में एक ही जन्म लेता है सत्यम ही शताब्दाम अपितस्य सदृश्य है पुरुष है दुर्लभ सच तो यह है कि शताब्दी में द होल सेंचुरी में भी उसकी समानता का व्यक्ति विरले ही होते हैं मम मततः जुविनतम पुरुष न पूर्व जातः न च भविष्यति कदाचन मेरी दृष्टि में जुविन जैसा व्यक्तित्व न पहले हुआ और न आगे कभी होगा हमने बड़े बड़े लोग देखे हैं बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट देखे हैं दे डू फॉर मनी दे रन आफ्टर मनी एक श्लोक है बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर खजूर का वृक्ष जो है न तो राहगिरी को छाया देता है और उसका फल पाना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है पर जुबिन ऐसा नहीं था जुबिन ऐसा बड़ा व्यक्तित्व था जिसकी सबको छाया मिली और जिसका सबको फल मिला जुबिन बॉम्बे से लौट के आ गया था क्यों जैसे रामचंद्र जी ने कहा अति स्वर्णमयी लंका न में लक्ष्मण रोचते यह स्वर्णमयी जो लंका है लक्ष्मण मेरे भाई यह मुझे नहीं भाया नहीं भा रही है क्यों जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गपि गरीयसी और जुबिन के लिए भी असम भूमि उसकी जन्मभूमि अति प्रिय थी इसलिए उसने पैसे का लोभ छोड़कर विश्व के मंच पर, देश के मंच पर प्रसिद्धि लाने को त्याग कर असम के लोगों को हमेशा मनोरंजन किया, और उसी का परिणाम है कि आज पूरे विश्व में जुबिन जैसा कलाकार को खोजना मुश्किल है। Through the pages of Jubin, 20 songs and 7 portraits, future generations of artists will know that once in this corner of India lived a man who sang not to be applauded, but to connect, to touch the souls, to awaken hope, and to remind us of who we are. Jubin was many things: singer, composer, actor, thinker, dreamer, but above all, he was a philanthropist in the truest sense of the word. He gave the most valuable thing any human can give, his heart. Even when he was tired, even when he was overwhelmed, he gave. He gave to the young artist. He gave to families in need. He gave to our culture, our language, our collective memory. And so, today, as we launch this book and announce the Jubin Garg Scholarship, we are not just remembering him, we are continuing him. We are continuing his belief that no talent should go unheard. We are continuing his belief that every child, like my grandson that day, deserves someone to bend down and tie their shoelace. I see you, I believe in you. Friends, Jubin once said that art never dies, it only changes form. He may not be physically with us today, but he lives in his songs, in his films, in his kindness. And now, in the pages of this book, and the dream of every young artist, it will inspire. Let us honor him not with sorrow, but with promise. A promise to nurture art, a promise to celebrate compassion, a promise to carry forward the love he gave us so freely. Jubin, wherever you are, your voices still echoes, your music still heals, your spirit is still here, and your legacy will forever live in our hearts, in our culture, and in every note sung by the dreams you continue to inspire. I will also reiterate the slok, Pami, which I send you 2 days later to his passing away, to console yourself, your family members, to Garima. Ayu karma cha vittam cha vidya nidhana meva cha panchayatani srijante garvastasya dehina. As somebody said, everything is destined. The life of man is also destined. Ayu, karma, vittam, finance, vidya, and nidhan, date of death, is all destined. Even the unveiling of statue of Jubin is also destined on a particular day on this campus. We wish it could have been done today, but probably for some good reason, it could not happen today. Very soon, it will see the light of the day. I wish it happens sooner than later. Thank you very much.